Hi guys, it's Katarina and I will be playing Animal Jam today. Oh, sorry about that guys. Must have put my password in wrong. Ooh, a diamond. As you can see, I am a member right there. Ooh, yay, 500! No. Okay. Are any of my buddies on? No. Okay. Just a second. Okay, so as you can see of all of my videos, I love Animal Jam so much. And I was wondering if you guys are members and you watch my YouTube channel, and you play Animal Jam, I hope you could gift me so I can do something, so I can do a mail time. Like anyone's gonna gift me. Okay, so I'm sitting on my little mushroom. Sorry if the screen is all blurry. Wait, just a second. This is my friend's den. Okay. Anyway, so this video is all about me just playing. Is about how to do some cool outfits. If you don't have anything much like me in your inventory, I suggest that you try to play Sky High and Best Dressed so you can have a lot of gems like this. My friend has more. She has like 1 million. And then you just go to the store and buy anything you like. Okay. I prefer you go to Epic Wonders if you're like super rich. So yeah. Oh wait, I like those headphones. Wow, that's a lot. Golden bow and arrows. Can't click it. Okay, so I'm gonna go choose my stuff out. So BRB guys. Okay, so I chose my stuff and now I'm gonna go back to my den. So first, I'm just gonna sit down. You look at the stuff that you have, and first you're gonna choose your color. I choose this one. And that one, no, that's good. Okay, this one might be orange. No. Oh, that's really good. Now I'm gonna choose eyes. Maybe I'll do a color no one often does. There. Now, since I got my colors that match my gold stuff, I'm still gonna put the spike. Okay. So I'm gonna put that, my golden glove, and of course my spike collar. And now I kind of look like a warrior or something like that. Well, hope you guys liked this video and hope it wasn't too black. Please like, subscribe, comment. So, bye guys.